Hi, good afternoon my dear student. Yes, already in last class we have discussed very important concept of the differentiability. LHD, RHD coincide or suppose F is a real number and let C be the point or A be the point. Then there exists f dash of C is equal to f of C plus H minus f of A or C divided by or X plus C, whatever you are going to consider. X tends to 0. So this is called the differential. In the differentiability, we have discussed so many formulas. First one, addition and subtraction. And the second one, some multiplication form or product form or Lagrange's theorem. That is called U into V. U dash V plus V dash U. This is called the product rule. U by V. So differentiation of U by V. Already in the physics last demo class they are expressed of the d by dt. Q, charges of Q. How you are going to take here that same formation of the derivative. Right? So that application here helpful in electric charges or electric current. Similar things in our derivative formations are there. So that expression, another most important, U by V. So first you can consider V, differentiation of U minus V, U V dash divided by V square. The first function, second function. Next one, chain rule. All these are the one part. Apart from the, we are know that. So next one, we are going to consider another most important expression of the derivative of implicit function or derivative of explicit function. So what do you mean by implicit and what do you mean by explicit? I hope you know that some people they are hidden, some people they are open talking persons. Some people they are going to easily to define. Some people they are not easily to define. Our life is also like that. Some people they are well rich and they are, it means reaches for their goals, and some people it's very difficult to reach for the goal. I hope you know that rabbit. I know already you know that one of the tortoise. Two cases are. So similar expression for our mathematics. So beautiful examples are there. So first I can consider trigonometric form. So here first one, whatever you can consider x minus 1. Here pi is there. In your textbook they have given two different kinds of examples are there. So here x minus, you can express for the cos xy minus sin xy. Here y is equal to 0. Look at these two functions. So one, you are going to consider equation number 1 and equation number 2. So this equation easily, very carefully, easily to solve y naught, right? So only one statement they have given wonderful high rich statements are there. So here it cannot easily to solve by one. Why do you write these two statements? What purpose? How you are going to think about it? So look at the equation 1, x minus y minus 5 is there, right? So shift by that side. So x minus 5, right, is equal to what? So therefore y is equal to x minus 5. This expression easily to solve for the y. That is called, remember, this is called explicit. Clear? You have heard that x split up. The two biggest things, easy to defining. When they have given one statement. Already I said to you, what do you mean by? So what do you mean by velocity? Rate of change of, right? Some value. That is called the velocity. In that expression here, that simple statement is there. Simple equation. then only we are going to find out for the value of y. So that is called the explicit. The which expression easily to defining for the y1. That is called explicit. Keep in mind. Easily to express for the y1. Easily to solve for the y1. That is called the explicit. Clear? Everyone. So next one. Another biggest problems is there. So that is the second one. So keep observe x minus cos xy. So here minus sin xy minus y is there is equal to 0. Look at the statement. This statement here two biggest things are there. You can express for. So in this form, in this equation, in this expression, in this problem does not express for the y value properly. So why? Because the reason you will to be along with the trigonometric function is there. This function does not express for this function, this function or this expression which cannot express for the, it cannot solve for the y value easily. So easily, hence it is called implicit. Here two main factors. This function does not ask for your annual exam, only for the CET purpose. Which one is explicit and which one is implicit they are asking. So many problems they are asking for the CET and along with only problems they are asking 2 marks question your annual exam. So their statement they are expressed for the CET, but why they are going to ask only for the problems they are asking your annual exam. So next video I am going to consider, keep in your mind, 2 statements I have given. So which one? What do you mean by explicit? What do you mean by implicit? Which one, which person easy to define? That is called the explicit. Which function? It is very difficult. When you are going to see that person is very difficult. That things are very difficult. That is called the, so implicit. Which the persons are very friendly. They are very close. Your mother, your father, your brother, your friends. They are easy to define. That is called the. Remember, in our high school section, so many students they are asking difficult for English and mathematics. That is called the. What do you mean by implicit? Both are. So nowadays, the most of the people they are very obviously understood for the our mathematics. It is also called the explicit. Right? So next video I am going to define for the so many problems they are asking, annual purpose and CET purpose. Thank you so much. I will continue the next video.